Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my 4-month update on my DIY Microlocs. So I'll be 4 months on February 5th. I installed them October the 5th. And I used the 2-strand twist method. And so I'm going to give you guys a quick little update on how they're doing now at 4 months. So I have some questions that Lanice Ray asked me. I'm gonna answer those first. She asked, how do I keep my hair from being so frizzy at the root? Honestly, my hair is frizzy, but when I go to sleep, I tie my hair up with a scarf, a satin scarf, and I just do like this with my hair, push it all the way back, wrap the scarf around, go under here, and also put a bonnet over my scarf so that it's just an extra layer of protection because I don't sleep on satin pillowcases. So I think that helps me with all the frizziness, you know, keeping my hair flat and not making it so frizzy, because when I was just sleeping with the bonnet only, it would be a frizzy mess when I woke up in the morning. So yeah, my nighttime routine has changed, and so has my morning routine. I don't spritz my hair every day. I mean, I told you guys that in my last morning routine. I still don't spritz my hair with water every day, but when I do, I literally just use water or rose water, and I'll put Jamaican black castor oil on my edges because I don't want to be bald headed on my edges. But also I use that on the shaft of my lock. So I'll do like a updated routine on that once I get to my next wash day. So yeah, that's how I keep my frizziness down. And then I get my hair professionally retightened, so I don't do it myself, and so she does a pretty good job of getting my hair tightened all the way to the root, because Lanice also said that her retightening loosens up after a couple of days. I don't really have that problem. Maybe your hair is just growing super fast, or maybe you didn't do it tight enough to the root. I'm not saying do your retightening to the max where it's like ripping your hair and causing you to lose locks. I'm just saying you might want to get a little bit closer to your scalp when you do your retightening, or whoever is doing your retightening, maybe tell them to get a little bit closer to your scalp. And also make sure that when you enter your tool or your finger, you go all the way down till you get to like the lock part of your hair, and then, you know, loop it through, if that makes sense. If you're doing it yourself, you know what I mean. If not, look at some videos like Patience Eat It. She has a video showing you how to do the interlocking method, and that's how I learned, because I also had to interlock a few in the back here, like all the way down, because they kept unraveling. So I just interlocked the whole thing, so my whole back row is interlocks now because they wouldn't stop unraveling. Speaking of unraveling, I think that was all the questions that she asked. Yeah, so yeah, speaking of unraveling, I still keep getting locks that unravel. Like this one here, I had to retwist this bottom part because this top part is already locked, but I had to retwist this bottom part, which slows down the process of locking. So I had one in the back too that I had to retwist. Let's see if you can see it. This one here, I had to retwist that one. It's annoying, but I only get like a few. It's never a lot of them. It's only a few that will unravel, and it's literally like, for the most part, my hair is locked. I'm gonna show you one that I know. So like my hair is locked to like right here. So if anything unravels, it'll be this bottom part of, which is the 2-strand twist still. And I've been, like when I wash my hair, I've been going in with my castor oil and just while my hair is damp, and going in and putting my hair in like sections, into 4 or 3 sections, and I'll go in, put a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil on my fingertips and just twirl it around the bottom of my lock to try to help it to lock, because that's going to be the part that takes the longest time to lock, because of course the rest of my hair is getting interlocked, but not the part that I twisted, because it's a twist. Like I said, I did change my nighttime routine and my morning routine up a little bit. If you want to see a video on both of those, I can do those as one video. I'll just show you, because it's the same thing that I do in the morning and at night basically, except for at nighttime I'm putting my scarf and stuff on, and I can show you that. I don't really do many hairstyles. If I do, it'll be a bun, like all of this hair up in a bun with my bang out, or a half up half down look like this. And I'll probably insert some pictures of those few hairstyles that I do, because I don't want to manipulate my hair too much, because I feel like that also will make my hair start to unravel more if I'm constantly messing with it. So majority of the time I'm literally wearing my hair like this, which is just an easy way to wear it, not constantly manipulating it. Yeah, I'm still going to my loctician, and I go get my hair retightened every 8 weeks. The first time I went at 8 weeks. The second time I went at 8 weeks, and she told me that that was a pretty good amount of new growth, so I could keep coming at 8 weeks for now, unless my hair starts growing rapidly and then I need to come sooner. But yeah, so 8 weeks I get my hair retightened. She washes it, and she you know, interlocks it. Also now when I wash my hair, I don't do the stocking cap method, because my hair has gotten a little bit more stable as far as the twist. Which I did the stocking cap method because I was scared that my twist will unravel, but they're not really unraveling when I wash it. I don't know why they unravel, but they're not really unraveling when I wash it. So I do the braiding and banding method, which I will do an updated wash routine video as well, so you can see what products I use, how I do my little retwist method. The retwist method that I do keeps my hair looking manicured in between my visits to the salon, because I only go every 8 weeks, and I wash my hair probably every 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how itchy my scalp is. But since I don't use a whole lot of products on my hair or my scalp, my hair doesn't get really itchy, and it doesn't get a lot of buildup. I mean, it might get a little dry, but as you can see, not too much buildup. My edges are still pretty intact. Yeah, what else can I say? When I first started my locks, I had like a little teeny one here and a little teeny one here, and a little teeny one here. I'll insert a video showing you those little small locks, but I ended up combining them with the locks that they were beside, because I was scared, like in the long run, since they were so tiny, what if they started to break off, and I didn't want to be like bald-headed on my edges. And I also just felt like there was no need for me to have those little tiny ones, so I did combine the little one that was right here to these two locks. I combined the little one that was right here to this one, and the little one that was right here to this one. But the one that was right here, I mean, it's not so tiny. It's flourishing, I guess. So I just left that one alone. Just also because of the amount of space that it takes up, it would look odd if I combined it to any other one. It would be like a huge lock in comparison to the rest of my locks. Even though I don't have like a set grid or pattern, but I mean, I kind of tried to stick to one, because I'm not a professional, but you know, I did try to stick to making my locks all a uniform size. I mean, I guess that's really it. They're doing okay. They're not, you know, causing me any problems. I mean, as you guys can see, I still do have frizziness. I just don't really care. I mean, it's a part of the process. It makes my hair look full to me. I like the frizziness. It makes me look like I have a full head of hair. I mean, I do have a full head of hair, but you know, it just makes my hair look more full. And I honestly don't like how my hair looks when I first get it retightened, because it looks too neat, and I would rather it look like this. And I got my hair retightened about 2 weeks ago, so this is you know, 2 weeks later, and you saw the footage of my hair when it was first retightened in the beginning of the video, and you also saw it before I got it retightened, so that was like my 8 weeks of new growth, and then you saw how it looked after I got it retightened. But my hair is growing pretty well. I think it's doing good. My length check, this is the length that I'm at right now. Give you a view from this side. so I think that my hair is doing pretty well. I mean, if you have any more questions, you can leave them down below, of course. But I did actually, I mean, I can't post like, you know how some people post like the little comment thing and say like, hey, if you want to ask me questions, yada yada yada. Also, with that being said, you guys should follow me on my Instagram so that I can send you like put it in my story next time for you guys to ask me questions that I can answer for you in these videos and these type of videos, like about my locks or anything. Follow me on my Instagram. It's natasha.slifestyle_. So yeah, follow me over there so that next time when I do my update, which I guess will be my 5-month update, I can ask you guys to ask me questions in my Insta story. So yeah, I think that's really it. I don't think I have anything else to say. I do know that my hair is still shedding, so I'm not sure why, but like, I don't even know if you can see this, but yeah, I get little strands of hair that just shed off still, but I'm assuming that's because of my twists. I started them with twists. I did not start them with interlock, so they're not all of those like dead hairs are not just getting tangled up in my interlock, which would happen if I just had interlocked all of them. But yeah, I do have a few that just shed off, and then you can see the ones that I interlocked are kind of longer, like they hang down a little bit more than my twist. And sometimes my hair is like really scrunched up. I don't know, it just, you know, it's just like when you have your loose natural hair, being that these are twists. If your hair gets wet, if it's like humidity around, your hair is going to shrink up. I would prefer that my hair stay this length because this kind of is like my truer length. I mean, it's not my true length, but it's truer to like the twist when I first installed them. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Again, if you have any more questions, you can leave them down below. I will gladly answer them. I try to, I comment to every single one of you guys when you ask me questions or when you just leave me a comment in general. That makes me happy, and I hope you guys keep doing it. And yeah, so don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. You're also welcome to share this video on your Facebook or wherever else you would like to share it. I don't mind. And yeah, oh yeah, this makeup look will be up on Wednesday. I will put the link in the description box, but if you're subscribed, you can hit the bell to get the notification of when I'm posting the videos, and you'll already see it without having to come back to this video and click the link. So yeah, I will put this makeup look up on Wednesday, and that's basically it. 4 months into my lock journey. I can't wait to see what my hair looks like in a year. Honestly, I can't wait to see what my hair looks like when I go on this cruise this summer, because I'm just hoping that these twists are a little bit more secure, because of course if you're going swimming in the ocean and stuff, you just never know. And my loctician told me like if I do go swimming, I need to cover my locks, and I'm like, I don't wanna, but we shall see. So yeah, that's all for this video. See you guys in my next one.